Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are most welcome to my channel Chart Tech. So friends, today in this video we're going to discuss a common problem of Windows which comes with an error code that window could not configure one or more system components. So we can fix this issue by following few steps itself on Windows 10. So let's begin with the video. First of all, you have to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu you have to click on the control panel. On the control panel you can see many features over here. You have to click on programs. Now on the programs, you can see on the programs and feature, you can see over here Windows turn Windows feature on and off. You just have to click on this. Afterward you have to wait for a while. Now all the features will come across over here in this interference. Now you have to find out the internet information services. You just need to check this box on. You just need to click on the check box of this. You have to click on the checkbox of this internet information service, hostable web core, and also internet's information service. And you just have to click checkbox. Click on the checkbox also of FTP server. Then you just have to click OK. Then now you have to wait for a while. It's need to change. Take time to change. Take the time. It will take some time to take places all the changes. So let's wait. Be patient because it is time consuming and you have to wait for 2 minutes now. Once the procedure will be done, you have to restart your PC and see whether your issue has resolved or not. If this method also doesn't work for you, then I will show you the last method in this. You have to do a command prompt method where you have to write some commands and your issue will be fixed. Just wait for this. Now the process has taken place. Now you have to restart your PC and see whether your issue is resolved or not. If this method doesn't work for you, then we should move on to the next method, which was like this. You have to run your command prompt of your PC as an administrator and you have to write. You have to give access by clicking on yes over here. Afterward, on the command prompt menu, you have to write a command which was like this: SFC, which is stand for system file checker, space / scan now. Now you have to push enter over here. So the system scan has begun. This procedure will also take some time. So you have to wait until it will verify the PC to 100%. Now you can see the verification 1% complete. Once it is done, you have to restart your PC and see your problem will definitely resolve. Any of the current corrupt file in your Windows will be detected and resolved itself. So this is the method. If this video helped you out, then please give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If you have any issue regarding this, you can leave your comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 24 hours individually. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.